I am not what you are thinking. This can be a line from your partner. I am not what you are thinking. I am different. And to know me, you have to understand yourself first. And to understand yourself, you must not be following what you are taught or what people teach to you, because your truth can be different. And to know your truth, many spiritual masters say this: you should not have a fixed conception about yourself and about society and people. You must be able to see people the way they are, and then according to how you live your life, see what you can do. Do not follow what I am saying to you. Just see how you feel about the situation. I can say something wrong about you, but after 10 days, I can feel sorry for what I have said. And I feel like, okay, whatever you were saying was the right thing. So mindset and thinking and opinion can change. But based on that opinion and how I treated you today, you should not live, or you should not just define my character all of a sudden. That is a lesson.